This is Kentucky injury lawyer Tate Meagher with Meagher Injury Lawyers. In this video, I will discuss the three biggest factors in any injury case: liability, damages, and insurance. The first factor is liability. To have a successful injury claim, you must prove another party is liable for your injuries and damages. So for instance, if someone is operating a vehicle that is stopped at a red light when struck in the rear by another driver, it appears obvious that the driver that was struck the stopped vehicle in the rear is liable for the accident, and thus they would be liable for any injuries or damages caused to that person. Liability in accidents are not always this clear, though. To succeed in an injury case, you must prove at least some liability against another person or entity. The second factor is damages. Damages are essentially the injuries or losses sustained by a person. The more severe the injuries, the more damages someone will have, and thus the potential for a higher payout for the injury case. When injured in an accident, you may be entitled to several types of damages due to your injuries, including but not limited to medical expenses, pain and suffering, and lost wages. The third and last factor I will discuss is insurance. In many cases, an injury case is only worth the amount of insurance available to the injury victim in the injury case. Thus, the higher the insurance policy limits available to an injury victim, the potential for a higher payout. For instance, in an automobile accident, it's unfortunately somewhat common that some drivers only carry minimum liability or insurance or don't even have any insurance at all. If a person is injured in an automobile accident caused by a driver with no or very little insurance, it's likely that they will get nothing or very little from pursuing a claim against said person because of the lack of insurance. The only way the injured victim could protect themselves in such a situation is to obtain uninsured motorist coverage or underinsured motorist coverage on their automobile insurance policy. With that said, remember, if you have been injured in an accident, don't wait, call Tate. Also, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more of my videos. Thanks for watching my video.